Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair USB not recognized error Windows 10. Chapter 1. How to fix USB not recognized error Windows 10 from terminal. To start, in the search box, enter PowerShell. Click Run as administrator. Click Yes to open. After that, in the terminal, execute the command on the screen. Press Enter, and in the latest updates, this function is not enabled, but it is possible that it work in your version. Chapter 2. How to fix USB not recognized error Windows 10 from Device Manager. To begin, right-click on the Start menu. Select Device Manager. Here in the Universal Serial Bus Controller section, right-click on USB Root Hub. Select Update Driver. Now click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for this process to finish. After this, right-click on Generic USB Hub, select Update Driver. After that, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Here, choose the available driver. When you click Next, the driver will be updated. Chapter 3. How to fix USB not recognized error Windows 10 from power settings. To start, enter Plan in the search box. Click Edit Power Plan. Now click on the line Change Advanced Power Settings. In the window you see, select USB Settings. After that, in USB Selective Suspend setting, you will choose the disabled option. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.